Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into a quick comparison between two fascinating AI models, ChatGPT-5 and Claude Code. ChatGPT-5, developed by OpenAI, is built for a conversational AI. It excels at chatbots, virtual assistants, and content generation, thanks to its training on vast amounts of text. It's user-friendly, versatile, and great at understanding and generating human language. Its main focus is coherence and context, making it perfect for natural language tasks. On the other hand, Claude Code from Claude Computing is specialized for software development. It shines in code generation, debugging, and handling complex programming tasks because it's trained on code repositories. Its interface is designed for developers, and its performance is measured by how well the code executes. Both models are powerful, but they serve very different purposes. ChatGPT-5 is ideal if you need human-like conversation and content creation, while Claude Code is the go-to tool for coding and software projects. A user shared their experience comparing Claude and ChatGPT for coding in 2026. They noted that GPT-5 performs better in Python and React than Claude Sonnet and Opus models, particularly when used in ChatGPT Desktop versus Claude Code in iTerm 2. They observed that Claude sometimes relied on GPT-5 to complete files, and even acknowledged GPT-5 as superior for certain tasks, though both handled planning similarly. So remember, it's not about which AI is better, it's about which one fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.